it's Candy. Welcome back to my channel. I'm obviously at my sister's house. This is Leo's head. So I got a haul from Zaful. Hey, can you sit back for me? Sit on your booty. So they offered to send me a bunch of stuff, and when I looked for the clothes, I didn't find anything in my size, so I thought, well, I'll order some stuff for my sister. So I had her go on, and she picked a bunch of stuff out, which we'll show at the end of the video. But Leo wants to help me show you these. So I got myself some makeup brushes. Oh, Landon's here too. Lando, stop! So we got makeup brushes there.
No, stop. Oh, Landy, come here.
Alright, my turn.
On your feet?
This is not going.
Time out.
Get off me, weirdo.
Alright, both of you guys, other room, now.
Okay, hey, you gotta give me like 5 minutes. I gotta do my job.
Leo. You want a lollipop?
No.
Really? You want a big lollipop?
Who's that?
Hey.
Me.
Who else? Am I in there?
Leo.
Okay, give me 5 minutes. Okay.
Leo.
At least we're having a good vlog.
Come on. Come on.
Alright, so I got these makeup brushes. I mean, you guys know my, what is it called? Affection? Affinity? Oh, these are not good. So that's not okay already. That one already fell apart. Let's try another one. Well, that one stayed on. But they're, you know, just regular. This one's terrible. Let's see if one of the other ones is like that. Okay, so it was just that one that was loose, but they're just eye brushes. You guys know I go through a ton of brushes because I'm lazy and I hate washing my brushes. So I got another set of brushes. These come in this cute little faux leather case. These are black with like a rose gold ferrule on them. These ones are a lot like better quality. Okay, my next item is these socks. Now, I thought these were adult socks, but hold on. It says grade, first grade. Security identification. What? Look at that. It says first grade on it. I don't know what that means. It's cute socks though. They're on both sides. I don't think they're gonna fit me.
Like how it says washing instructions and with like...
And there's nothing there. Because that would stretch the cat out. So I'm probably gonna give these to Landy because he loves cats. So he'll probably wear these everywhere with his Christmas jammies because he never takes them off. Alright, the next thing is these two beauty blender holders. I think they're so cute. They look like little chicken butts and legs. It's just to like keep your beauty blender from like getting moldy if you put it away. And I got another pair of sunglasses because I'm obsessive. These ones are pretty cool. I like these. They have like a rose on the side. I also got this beach blanket, but the material is like almost like a silk. Like, feel it. Tell me. It's like a polyester.
I don't know what that is.
I would not want to sit on this if I was wet. But it might be cute for like a picnic or something. I do like the print a lot. Oh my god, I'll cut a hole in it and it'll be a poncho.
No.
I'm a pineapple ghost! I am the ghost of SpongeBob. Woo!
Logan, can you go and let your brother out, please?
So my mom had a pineapple at her house and Logan was eating breakfast one morning and he like looks at the pineapple and goes, "Is that SpongeBob's house?" And so my mom's boyfriend like cut a door out of it and everything to make it look like SpongeBob's house. Like that's how cool Bruce is. All right, finally for my portion of this, I got 3 pairs of earrings. I got these really pretty silver ones. They're like an antique silver. I like the noise that they make. They may or may not turn my ears green, but we'll see. Like, there's something stuck on this one already. Can you see that? I don't know what that is. Oh, it came off. It looks like it's part of the mold, I think.
Yes, I did.
Did you lose a tooth
It came
today?
out just now?
Yeah, he's been pulling.
OMG. And I got these
Stuff over there.
because tassels are like so in. And these tassel ones, which are a little gaudy, but they're really like, I would wear these to like a club if I did not want to pick up a dude. So, okay, so I got my sister some clothes, and she's going to try some of them on, because she's had them for a week, and she tried a few of them on. She's wearing the bathing suit now. So, we'll go to that portion now. Okay, so the first outfit, or thing that I got her, is this bathing suit. She was looking for a bathing suit. She didn't really find one she wanted, so I found this one. It's got this flappy thing, which kind of covers up her bigger chest. It crosses in the back. Can you uncross it?
Yeah, you do it regular.
Oh, that's nice.
It like holds it up better if you cross it.
Yeah. She suffers from big chesticles. She's more lucky than I am. But it fits on the bottom.
Yeah,
too.
I like it. Yeah.
She doesn't want to take off her shorts, which is totally fine. So, yay! Okay, so the first thing
It's a good
worked
one.
out. Yay! We've got like 6 more.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm calling this a hoochie dress because her boobalas are out and her butt would be hanging out if we did anything else. Plus, it's super tight on her arms, and she doesn't have big arms. Like, it's really tight. Like, yeah. I don't even think you could save that with like leggings.
And on the website, this was like the nice, flowy, easy dress.
Yeah. No. Even if you went a size up, I don't, because it fits the top fine.
It's
Like,
crazy. I can't even put my
Here,
arms up
but
at
not
all.
the arms. Yeah.
No.
Even if you went a size up, what size was that? Was that a 3 or a 4X?
I don't know. The tag's still on it.
It's supposed to be a US 20, which is normally what you wear,
Yeah.
right? So you don't have to size up. I think on their website they went by US sizes, which was nice. But yeah, you better size up if you're gonna do something like that. So let's move on to the next one. I love the pattern though. Okay, so this is a full outfit that came together. It's the top, which you said is really short.
Yeah, it only goes to like right here-ish.
Okay, and then the skirt, which this outfit together is super cute. That's appropriate for work, right?
Yeah, I could wear it
Yeah.
here.
Plus, she can pair the skirt with whatever, or the top with whatever she wanted. You could even, I bet you could wear the skirt like high-waisted and untuck the shirt.
Yeah. See, it's like a little tiny shirt.
Yeah, but still, it's cute like that. See, that's more casual. Tucked in is more. Work.
Yeah.
I like that
I could
outfit.
deal with
That
this.
worked out really well. What size is this?
4X.
4X. She's not 4X. You're normally a 2X.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, next one. I like this outfit. That worked out well. Alright, so this is a wrap dress, or wrap top. And it's actually a wrap. It's got the hole on the side here, and then it actually ties here so you can cinch it at your waist or whatever. It's got this really cute crisscross detail. I actually like that color on you. I think it looks good with your skin. You would have to wear it with a cami underneath because it's a little bit see-through and a little short. You know what? You could wear that to work with that black skirt too.
Yeah.
That would look really
I always
cute.
tried it on with the black skirt.
Yeah. Yeah, oh, I like this casual look too though. You look like a cool mom now.
Oh my gosh, I'm a cool mom. Am I a cool mom?
No.
No answer.
No answer. Alright, next one.
Cool.
Okay, finally we get, oh, this isn't the final.
No, there's like 2 more.
We got this really cute t-shirt with the animal print pocket. The fabric is super soft and airy, like it feels like a really nice summer shirt. She's got a cami underneath because it is kind of see-through. If you want to show your bra off, like go ahead. But
I don't have nice bras.
oh my god, I got the cutest bras today. But it's just a really cute casual shirt. This outfit is like, hey kids, let's go grocery shopping or something like that. No, you wouldn't.
That's not fun though.
You wouldn't hang out with your kids with white. Hey, let's go get a drink.
Yeah.
Mom party. All right, next one.
All right.
Got 2 more. This dress is so bad. The length is terrible. The slit is like ridiculous. The fabric, the fabric's okay. I wear stuff like this.
And it could be okay.
But like, it hits her so strangely, like right in the middle of her belly.
It's got this terrible tie.
It's a terrible tie. Wait, what size is this?
I don't even know.
It's only a 3X, so you know, you feel a little bit good about yourself. But like, it makes her look so pregnant because like, it hits her here and then she's like, yeah, we can take pregnancy photos for you and
I don't know what we're gonna do with
you can't have
this.
any more kids. This one's going to Goodwill.
Yeah.
Right away. Yeah, take that off. That's
bad.
awful. Last one coming up. Alright, so here we have this really cute cardigan with hearts on it in blue, green, pink, white. I think that's all the colors. Again, it's a little bit short, so it hits her like mid-belly, so it's like, makes her a little uncomfortable, and it would make me
And I
uncomfortable.
can't button them all because it looks like I'm popping out.
It looks cute like this though. And again, you could pair this white cami, that cardigan, and that black skirt. And that would be really cute for work. She works at a bank, so she has to look, you know, professional. Yeah, does it feel nice?
Yeah.
Like,
It feels like a regular cami, other than it's just short.
Yeah. It's really cute.
It's cute though, I like it.
Alright, so all in all, we didn't do too bad with Zaful. Or Zaful, I'm not sure how you say it. But everything except that blue
The blue
dress
is terrible.
and the flower dress they're going back.
Yeah.
Well, they're not going back, but I'll put them in my giveaway box and see if someone can wear them. I'll either take them to the women's shelter or Goodwill.
If you have anorexic arms, you'll be fine with that flower dress.
True.
Maybe if you have a really short torso and skinny,
Huge
skinny arms,
boobs.
big boobs, you will be perfect. Flower dress.
Yes. Alright, I want to thank Zaful for sending me this stuff and allowing me to, you know, get my sister some more work clothes because they didn't have anything for my size. Because as you can see, she had to size up to a 4X in some stuff. That's ridiculous. But again, their website is very helpful in trying to find the US size against the Chinese size or the Asian size.
And it varied per item, but it was very easy to tell which.
They had it on every single page, so that was good. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys soon. Bye! Perfect.